some people believe you should never touch a classic.
That's right, but that did not stop a chef from putting his own spin on a traditional Cuban dish, and customers say it's pretty yummy. Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Jorge Ramos, serving up Cuban-inspired cuisine at Cebada Rooftop in Coral Gables.
So we say Cebada is a heritage-inspired restaurant, inspired by my heritage growing up in Miami with my Cuban, Spanish ancestors. So very much contemporary American-style restaurant, but with Cuban and Spanish influences behind the food. Sit down, have some really amazing drinks, have some great food, and enjoy some really amazing vibes and views.
Cebada Rooftop is the Gables' first full-service rooftop restaurant. You'll be in the middle and above all the action of popular Enchilada Plaza. Cebada Rooftop's menu features Cuban and Latin American-inspired dishes, as well as plenty of seafood, so stop by and check out what we're making today. It's the chef's spin on a classic Cuban dish, Prawns Enchilados. Chef Jorge starts by making the sauce. Olive oil goes in a pot, then the shells from the prawns.
Just the shells, we're gonna cook them down a little bit, right? Because we want that flavor from the shrimp in the sauce.
The shells will be blended so you don't have to take them out. Add shallots, garlic, and serrano peppers next. Then celery, carrots, roasted peppers, and white wine.
We're gonna add some cilantro and some parsley, a good amount.
Finish the mix with butter and let it all cook down for about a half hour. After that, put everything in the blender. Put the sauce in the fridge and let it set. Now it's time to grill your prawns. Chef Jorge seasons them with olive oil and salt, then puts them on the grill. When they're ready, braise them in a pan with olive oil.
A little bit of garlic.
Add white wine and the finished sauce. Serve the prawns on a thick slice of grilled bread and drizzle the sauce on top and garnish with chives.
Hey guys, welcome to Cebada Rooftop. Please enjoy our Prawns Enchiladas.
Here's your chance to make this delicious dish at home. All you have to do is grab your phone and scan the QR code that you see on your screen. It'll take you right to the recipe. Oh, that looks good. Cebada Rooftop is right above Coyo Taco in Enchilada Plaza. Just look for the yellow umbrellas. Tell them we sent you. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.